In this video, I want to show you how to use and get the July dump ADUs on Instagram trend. So if you want to use the July dump 2025 on Instagram ADU trend section, you need to simply watch this complete video. First open up the Instagram, and now if you tap on your Instagram stories, so here you notice that at the top left corner of the screen there is a template option. Simply tap on this one. So on the top trending prompt, so you notice that there is the July dump and 3.1 million are using this. So you need to simply tap on July dump, and now here I can create a specific picture for this trend, but I just want to upload the picture from my phone, and here I can easily drag and drop the July dump 8 yours stickers. So I want to increase the size of the July dump, and you notice that I can easily place the sticker anywhere on a screen. So now I want to just upload, and this is basically a ADUs trend which recently go viral. A lot of people are using this, so you need to simply go to the Instagram story section, and now here you can see I have successfully created the Instagram story with the help of July dump. So in this way you can easily get the July dump ADUs on Instagram. So I was just want to show how many people are using this ADUs. So here you can see I can find some people which are basically using this ADUs, and you notice that this is a trend which actually founded by the photography agent. You can also go to the page. So in this way you can easily get the July dump on Instagram by using this method. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.